Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of DXY in front of us right now. Before I proceed, I would like to say something that next week I'll be out of station, so as a result I will not be able to upload any video, and again in the month of June I'll be taking a break for 1 month, so I will not be available in the month of June because I am getting married. Many of you know it very well because I have already uploaded the pictures and the video of the engagement. Okay, so I'm getting married finally. I'm nervous also in the month of June, so I will not be available in June. And next week I'll be next week I'll be out of station. Okay, so DXY at last DXY is showing some kind of correction. Right now market is standing at 103.43. It is the current market price of DXY. We have already talked in detail about DXY in my previous videos when I showed you that DXY has, after breaking this important resistance zone, DXY right now finally standing at the ultimate resistance of 103.75 to 103.80. This is the ultimate resistance zone of DXY, and right now DXY is facing some kind of selling pressure. As a result, we are seeing some sort of correction. So the resistance zone of 103.7585 is still a valid resistance zone. But if DXY breaks this level, then yes, obviously all the pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD will be in trouble because we will not be having any immediate resistance on DXY. So you can say that this is the last hope for DXY right now. So this level will be extremely important, and my dear friends, if you love to trade on Forex, if you really want to understand the market, then please keep your one eye on DXY's chart all the time, at least for now. Okay, and if I take you to the 4-hour chart of DXY, you can see that right now, though we are seeing some sort of correction, but still we cannot consider it as a trend reversal. Okay, for a trend reversal in an uptrend market, we need an inverted V pattern. Do we have an inverted V pattern yet? No. Okay, we do not have an inverted V pattern yet. Still, though there is correction, still it looks like a bullish flag here. So you can also draw a flag like this. No, sorry, wrong line. Okay, you can also draw a flag like this. This is the pole of the market, and this is the flag of the market. So as long as market will be trading, or DXY will be trading between these two lines here, okay, this will be a no trading zone. It means that you should not come to any conclusion. But if DXY breaks this flag and starts going up like this, then obviously Euro USD will be in trouble, GBP USD will be in trouble, or USD, NZD USD, everything will be in under pressure. So bullish flag on DXY right now. Okay, but yes, the resistance also very important, very crucial, very strong, because this is also almost the last resistance for DXY. Okay, now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. Euro dollar, kaha ho tum? Here is our Euro USD. Just the opposite of DXY. Euro USD sharp fall on the market, and if I take you to the weekly chart here, you can see that from the weekly support, Euro USD is trying to bounce. But as you all know, that market is technically as well as fundamentally very weak. So though Euro USD is trying to bounce from the current market price here, but still you should not be having too much confidence on the bounce, because fundamentally and technically, for both the ways, market is very weak here. So if you have a buy position right now, if you have taken a buy position right now, you can be on the trade. No need to exit. Okay, be on the trade, but please follow proper risk management. And in case of a sudden fall in the market, don't forget to exit from the market, because yes, exit is also extremely important in any market. So you can see that this is the support right now, and this is the ultimate support for right now. But if market breaks the present support here, then there will be a fall of another 100 pips at least. Now let's Go back to our usual 4 hours time frame. As I just said that this is just the opposite of DXY. So in DXY we have a bullish flag pattern, and here we have a bearish flag pattern. We have a bearish flag pattern, and as long as market will be trading like this, okay, it's better you should not take any position, not even a sell position, not even a buy position, because this is your no trading zone. Okay, this is your no trading zone. This signifies indecision in the market. Okay, if you already have a buy position, be on the trade, but exit if market slips below it. Okay, and if you have already a sell position, you can be on a trade as well. You are in good profit right now, but if possible, draw a flag like this and don't do anything. Right now market is in indecision mode. If market breaks the yesterday's low, okay, if market breaks the yesterday's low of 1.0475 or 1.0470, okay, if you find market breaking this level and going down, okay, you can take a sell position as well. But in every scenario you should be using proper risk manager, because euro USD has already shown heavy fall in the market, and as we all know, the market is extremely volatile. But as a trader, it's our responsibility to protect our hard-earned money. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Be a trader, not a gambler. Okay, follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your hard-earned money on a trade or market condition like this. Okay, because after all, a trader can only control the loss. So in this market situation of euro USD, I'll just say that if you already have a buy position, be on the trade. No need to exit until unless market falls. But otherwise, I will not suggest you any buy position. But because see, you must also learn. You must also understand when not to trade. We all know when to trade. Okay, we all follow some kind of strategy, but it is also extremely important to know when not to trade. Okay, this is our no trading zone here. Okay, you should not trade right now. If market falls below it, you can take a sell position. If you already have buy position, that's your personal decision. I'll simply suggest you to follow risk management. That's it. Otherwise, it's better to observe the market right now. Observe euro USD, GBP USD, DXY. Observe everything. And today is Friday, and as we all know that during the Friday evenings, usually the volatility or the liquidity reduces in the market. If possible, do not carry forward your positions during the weekend, because as we all know that the war is still going on. Do not forget the war is still going on. So many events can happen during the weekend. So there may be a gap up, gap down opening, and it may be harming your capital. So be careful. Bye bye. Take care.